Welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and today I get to share with you the Autumn Greetings collection designed by Becky More. This collection includes 6 double-sided papers as well as a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, stamps, coordinating dies as well as a 6 by 6 stencil, and a beautiful ephemera pack. Let's take a look at each of the pieces in this collection. The Happy Fall paper includes 2 4 by 6 cut-aparts, as well as 8 3 by 4 cut-aparts. These would be perfect for adding quick and easy titles. You can add them to your Thankful album and so much more. The back of that paper features a host of delicious looking pies. This paper is called Leaves Are Falling, which features a host of beautiful leaves with acorns and other embellishments. The back of that paper includes a grayish blue background with lighter gray polka dots. This is the Lumberjet paper, which includes this gorgeous plaid, including that fun gray, green, orange, yellow, red on a white background. So beautiful. The back of this paper includes an orange background with a lighter orange set of branches. This is the Fruit Basket paper. It includes lots of different fall harvest fruits, including pumpkins and apples and pears. The back includes this great green gingham, which mixes and matches with all of the papers in this collection. The Pumpkin Spice paper includes this splendid selection of vertical stripes in all of the colors that match the collection. The back of that paper includes a dark brown with light brown words that are repeated throughout the background. The words include grateful, blessed, thankful, and each of the words are repeated to be able to use in a grateful album or thankful album for the holidays. The Snuggle Up paper includes all of the things that you associate with fall, including warm sweaters, fuzzy socks, a bowl of soup, a hot cup of cocoa or coffee, a teapot, fun coffee cups, and who wouldn't like to snuggle up with a good book in front of the fireplace during the cooler fall weather. The back of this paper includes a dark red background with a host of leaves that are scattered all over in a lighter red color. As an added bonus, there's also a Color Me page, which includes 12 3 by 4 cut-aparts that you can color, cut apart, and include in traveler's notebooks, pocket pages, cards, and so much more. The back of that paper includes lots of fun leaves and branches to color in and make it your own. The element sticker sheet includes a host of fun fall elements that include books, tags, tabs, 2 12-inch border strips at the bottom, these fun words to add to layouts as well as cards. You have some fun baskets, pumpkins, cups of coffee, leaves scattered throughout. I really like this heart filled with fall leaves and flowers. Perfect for adding to any of your paper crafting projects for fall. Next, I want to share with you the Autumn Greetings stamp set, which includes 3 leaves, an acorn, an apple, a pear, this fun bowl of fruit, this adorable little pie, and then 3 sayings. One says Hello Fall, Autumn Greetings, and then the last one says Grateful for You. It also features a coordinating die set that is sold separately. We also have a 6 by 6 stencil, perfect for adding great backgrounds, using with mixed media products, and so much more. I envision this in an ombre effect of fall colors that match all of the leaves and colors in this collection. I think that would be stunning. We also have the die paper that matches the dies in this collection. So if you want a quick and easy card, or you're a store that wants to do quick and easy make and takes, this would be the perfect way to do that by cutting out each of the pieces on the die paper with the coordinating dies. Everything is sold separately, so you can kind of mix and match to be able to create quick cards for fall, thank you cards. This would be a fun way to create name tags for your place settings for Thanksgiving. How cute would that be? All the little different pieces. The last piece in the Autumn Greetings collection is the Ephemera pack. It includes 26 stunning elements, perfect for your paper crafting projects. In this kit, you will receive tags, banners, tickets, frames, and lots of elements to mix and match with your cards, in your planner, and so much more. As we get ready for the cooler weather to start rolling in, the Autumn Greetings collection is the perfect way to capture all those wonderful fall memories. Thanks for stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and be sure to leave us a message. Thanks for watching.